Families. The intricate tapestries that shape our lives and cultures. But as we traverse the globe, we find that these familial threads are woven in diverse patterns, reflecting unique values, traditions, and roles. In India, the echoes of generations resonate through sprawling homes. Extended families, living under one roof, create a vibrant mosaic of relationships. Grandparents, aunts, and uncles play a role in nurturing, educating, and guiding the younger members, building a support system rich in tradition and wisdom. Contrast this with the Western nuclear family concept, where parents and their children form a self-contained unit. In the United States, the focus often centers on the immediate family, fostering independence and individualism. Yet, these smaller units often form tight-knit communities, forging bonds that transcend bloodlines. In rural China, generational living endures as a cornerstone of society. The elderly are revered, and it's common for multiple generations to coexist under one roof. The shared experiences create a nurturing environment, where knowledge flows seamlessly from old to young, shaping worldviews and teaching life's lessons. Familial ties don't just influence living arrangements, they often guide decision-making. In many Middle Eastern cultures, family consensus is paramount. Gathered around a table, family members discuss matters large and small, ensuring that decisions consider the collective welfare and honor the wisdom of the elders. From South America to Africa, familial bonds are a cause for celebration. Festivals bring families together, strengthening connections and perpetuating cultural legacies. The vibrancy of these gatherings reflects the significance of kinship, reminding us that family extends beyond immediate borders. As we crisscross continents, we find that the universal theme is the love and care that bind families together. Be it under one roof or across distances, the essence remains the same: a network of support, a vessel of traditions, and a wellspring of belonging. In the African context, family is profoundly significant, often extending far beyond the nuclear family unit. It encompasses a broader sense of community, interconnectedness, and shared responsibilities. Family in Africa isn't just about blood relations, it encompasses a network of relationships that provide emotional support, social identity, and a sense of belonging. Here's a closer look at what family means in the African context. 1. Extended family and community. African families typically include not only parents and children but also grandparents, aunts, uncles, cousins, and even close family friends. This extended family structure creates a web of relationships that offers emotional and practical support to individuals throughout their lives. 2. Collective responsibility. African families often operate under the principle of collective responsibility. The well-being of each individual is linked to the well-being of the entire family and community. This perspective fosters cooperation, unity, and a sense of shared success or challenges. 3. Respect for elders. Elders are revered and hold a position of authority and wisdom within the family and community. Their experiences and guidance are highly valued, and decisions are often made with their input. 4. Intergenerational learning. The passing down of cultural traditions, values, and skills from one generation to another is a central aspect of family life. Elders play a crucial role in transmitting oral histories, traditional practices, and life lessons to the younger generations. 5. Support network. African families provide a safety net during times of need. Financial, emotional, and practical support is readily available within the family structure. This network ensures that no member is left to face challenges alone. 6. Rites of passage and celebrations. Family plays a vital role in key life transitions, such as birth, initiation, marriage, and death. These milestones are marked by elaborate ceremonies and celebrations that reinforce the family's role in maintaining cultural identity and continuity. 7. Sense of belonging and identity. African families offer a deep sense of belonging and identity. Being part of a family connects individuals to their heritage, language, traditions, and cultural roots. 8. Shared resources. Resources are often pooled and shared within the family, particularly in rural and traditional settings. This approach ensures that everyone's needs are met and reinforces the idea of communal care. 9. Ubuntu philosophy. The Ubuntu philosophy, prevalent in many African cultures, emphasizes the interconnectedness of all people. The saying, "I am because we are," encapsulates this belief in shared humanity and mutual support. 10. Extended definition of family. African families often include individuals who aren't biologically related but are considered family due to their close relationships. This can include godparents, close friends, and even adopted individuals. 11. Inclusive decision-making. Decisions are often made collectively, with input from various family members. Major choices, such as marriage or relocation, are typically discussed and agreed upon by a larger group. In summary, family in the African context transcends the nuclear family and embraces an extended network of relationships that offer support, guidance, and a sense of identity. It reflects the values of community, cooperation, and shared responsibility, playing a pivotal role in shaping African society's cultural fabric and social structure.